route planning. So I want you to pause right here for me. And I just want everyone to get acclimated to what we're looking at right now, okay? So one of the biggest problems that we heard and we know is planning routes, okay? So whenever we think about route planning, whenever we think about, planning routes for whatever products need to be delivered, what we're hearing from a lot of small and medium business owners is not only do they have to spend a lot of time gathering the information for the routes, but more importantly, when it's time to plan out and actually execute on building the route, it takes them hours at a time. And so what we wanted to do is make sure two things can be done inside Cosmic Crate. Number one, we can have route planning that connects to the CRM data so that we can always know what someone received. But more importantly, we want to make sure that in the route creating and planning, and also the route execution, that is as seamless as we need it to be. Okay. So if you look right here, just getting you acclimated with the screen, you're looking at the route as the route is being executed. So of course we have our maps here. If you look at number one, it says started in progress. We also have the headquarters. We have the amount of deliveries, the amount of stops, and it says optimized. That means it's the most up-to-date route. And if you look at number one right here, our first stop is Mule du Bois, or Du Bois. That's funny. And we have, of course, if we want to skip, we have the address, and that's going to be the entirety of the route right there. We could keep going. If you look down, you'll notice we have the full route right there. We're able to see everything. We're able to edit the route in real time. If we needed to ship the vehicle, the depot location, change anything. But look at this now. Now pause here for me, because this is beautiful right here. This is a game changer. Okay. No more sitting at computers for hours at a time. No more having to get away from the core elements of your business just to figure out how to get your products to customers. This screen right here allows us to create, edit, and execute on routes within minutes. Think about all of the hours you've spent trying to figure out last mile delivery. Think about all the hours you've spent trying to figure out how to create routes across the county or across the city. This is it. If you look right here, we have the operating day. We have the operating day. We can quick add customers, or we can have the customers automatically added by program and by zip code. So now what you can do is, as you're adding zip codes in this pane over here, you're seeing everyone that's eligible to be delivered to. And so now what will happen is all of these people over here, 34 of them are in all of these zip codes, and all of them get the Wolfpack weekly box. So now instead of having to search through all of your spreadsheets and all of your tabs and everything like that, the best thing about it is now within a few seconds, we've auto-populated everyone that's eligible. And now within minutes, you can just deselect anyone that isn't going to be on this route. And so the beautiful thing about it is you're talking about giving hours back to the business leaders and the businesses when they need it most. We're not just talking about 34 customers here. Imagine if it was 1,000 who were eligible. Now you can filter out and get down to your list within seconds. And that is a game changer for so many businesses out there. But more importantly, these are also those people. These are also the people who are actually going to we're going to make sure that these are the people that you need to deliver to.